Okay, we are going to be reviewing the letters S and N and the letter A today. And we're going to warm up a little bit with doing some syllable work with the pictures that start with those letters. This first picture, let's see if you can see that, it's an astronaut. So how many syllables are in astronaut? Now, you can clap the syllables astronaut, or here's a fun trick that I know. You can hold your hand flat like this, put it underneath your chin, and however many times your chin bumps your hand when you say the word, that's how many syllables there are. So, astronaut. It bumped 3 times, there are 3 syllables, there are 3 word parts. Astronaut. So, syllables are just parts of a word, just parts of a word. So, there are 3 syllables in astronaut. How about alligator? All right, let's clap out alligator. Ready? Alligator. How many did you get? 4, right? Try this. Alligator. How many times did your hand bump your chin? 4 times. 4 syllables in alligator. How about apple? Let's clap out apple. Ready? Apple. How many syllables? 2, right? Apple. 2 syllables. Let's try something that starts with letter D. Diamond, right? Diamond. All right, let's clap it. Diamond. Let's chin bump it. Diamond. What'd you get? 2 syllables, right? 2 word parts. How about dice? How many syllables in dice? Clap it out. Dice. Dice. Just 1. Dice. Your chin is just going to bump your hand 1 time. And sometimes those are the trickiest ones. Some kids want to say the ice. Nope, just dice. All right, dice. 1 syllable. Ooh, the next picture starts with letter S. It's a school. How many syllables do you have in school? Clap it out. Ready? School. School. Only 1 syllable in school. And the last one, sandals. Sandals. How many syllables do you hear in sandals? Ready? Sandals. Sandals. 2, right? 2 chin bumps, 2 claps. Sandals. Good. All right, well, I have Leo with me today because he's going to help us with some words that start with the letter D. And we know that D makes the D sound. So I'm going to make the D sound for you, and Leo's going to do the rest of the word. And then you're going to say what word we're saying together. All right? Are you ready, Leo? Okay, let's go. You ready? I knew you would be. All right, here's your word. Dollar. Dollar. Angle. Dangle. Dazzle. Dazzle. Doorway. Doorway. Ooh, here's one that I know you're gonna like. Diamond. Diamond. Daylight. Daylight. Daydream. Daydream. I hear 2 D's in there. Daydream. Do you hear it? Duty. Duty. Like it is my duty to take out the trash. All right. How about dandy? Dandy. Thanks, Leo, for helping us review words that start with letter D. All right. Now, I would like for you to grab your flashcards because we're going to talk about these letters again. And before we do, let's just quickly review the sounds. For letter M, remember it makes the sound like monkey, right? What's the sound? Letter M. All right. And remember our sausages that were sizzling in the skillet? Yep, letter S. And letter S makes that sound. Sort of sounds like a snake. And if you look at the letter S, it kind of reminds me of a snake, the way that it's shaped and curves around like that. So what's the sound for letter S? Letter S makes the sound letter S. And the letter that you've been working on this week, letter A. What sound does letter A make? Ah, ah, ah. Remember Pam the lamb? That's how she tells her family where she is, by saying the sound for A. Ready? Ah, ah, ah. Now you won't need your letter A flashcard. You just need the S and the M, because I'm going to say some words, and if they end with the S sound, you'll hold up your letter S card. If they end with the sound, you're going to hold up your letter M card. So ready? The word is aim. Did you see how my mouth made that sound at the end? Came. Lace. Loose. Hear that S at the end? Rice. Class. Ice. Lime. Did you hear that at the end? Slam. Case. Lame. Fame. Nice. Ham. Hear that at the end? Dime. Slime. Ram. Race. Loom. Bloom. Grass. Time. Apple. Neither one. I threw that one in there to trick you. And the last one, name. There you go. Oh, I tried to trick you, but I just can't. You guys are too good. All right, let's take a look at the words behind me. And these words either start with the letter S or the letter M. So you have to pay attention to the letters to see which word I'm talking about. All right? So if you look at the pink word or the black word, which one says mat? Right, the black word, because it starts with the letter M. You hear that sound at the beginning. Mat. Mat. All right, so take a look at the next group of words. Which word says mint? Is it the pink or the black? Yep, it's the black word. Mint. Mint. Take a look at the next group. Which one of those words says map? Map. Pink or black? Right, the black. Map. Map. All right, let's take a look at the words over here. All right, this first set of words, pink or black, which one says mend? Mend. And that mend means to fix something. So if you tear your pants, your mom might mend them to fix the hole. Mend. You're right, it's this one. Mend. Mend. All right, take a look at these next pair. Which one says mom? The pink or the black? Yep, the pink. Mom. It's a great word, isn't it? All right, the last pair. Which one of these, the pink or the black, says man? Man. Right, the pink one. Man. Well, usually we're done with these words, but today I want to take a look back, and I want you to look for the one that has the sound in the middle. I'm going to say the words. You listen for the sound and tell me if it's pink or black that has the sound. Ready? Sit. Mat. Right. Mat has the A sound in the middle. Sack. Mint. Which one has the sound? Right, it's the word sack, the sound in the middle. Sip, map. Is it pink or black? Right, app has the A sound in the middle. Mend, sand. Which one has the A sound? You're right, it is the word that's written in black. Sand. And which one of these words, mom or Sam, have the A in them? Am. And did you notice that I wrote Sam with a capital S because it's a name? Man, stove. Which one of those words do you hear the letter A? Man or stove? Right, it's in that first pink word, man. Has the sound in it. Nice work. All right. Now, you are going to be working on writing these letters. So let me grab my whiteboard here. We're going to go ahead and review how you make these letters. Let's just go ahead and start with letter S, okay? So letter S, of course, a capital S is going to start on the top line because all capital letters start on the top line. You're going to start on that top. You're going to curve around to the bottom. Then you're going to curve the other direction. You're going to curve to the middle. Then you're going to curve the other direction toward the bottom. Lowercase s, it's exactly the same shape. It's just small. So you start on the middle line, curve, and then curve back the other direction to the bottom. And that's how you would make the letter S on your homework today. Now for letter M, start it on the top line for capital M. Make a line that goes straight down, just a straight line that bumps the top, then goes down and bumps the bottom. Then pick up your pencil, go back up to the top, make a slanted line down, a slanted line up, and then another line straight down for letter M. Mine's looking a little crooked here. And then remember, it's a line down, a bump, and a bump for lowercase n. You will probably have to make the letter A also. You've been practicing that all week. Take a look at page 55 and 56 in your reading workbook, and you are going to write the letters that you find if it has a S, an M, or an A in it. So if you have the word bat, you're going to write the letter A over there. And bag, does it have an S, an M, or an A? That's the letter that you'll write here. Now here's one that's a little tricky. Man. It's got two of those letters. You're going to have to put both the M and the A on that line. Then we have pan. You'll just flip your page over to the other side and listen for M, S, and A for can, sun, mug, and hat. And when you're done, upload your work to Schoology.